Tired of spending hours crafting proposals that don't quite land the job? What if you could create professional, eye-catching proposals in minutes, right from the field? Think about it. You've just finished a service call, the details are fresh in your mind, and your potential customer is ready to make a decision. Instead of fumbling with paperwork or waiting until you're back in the office, you could generate a clear, comprehensive proposal on the spot, increasing your chances of securing the work then and there. That's the power of a streamlined proposal process, and today, we're diving deep into how Housecall Pro's Proposal Builder can help you achieve exactly that. Whether you're a seasoned Housecall Pro user or just exploring ways to elevate your service business, understanding and mastering this feature can be a game changer. We'll walk through each step, from accessing the Proposal Builder to customizing your templates and presenting a winning offer to your clients. Get ready to transform the way you quote and close deals. First things first, let's locate the Proposal Builder within Housecall Pro. There are a couple of ways to access it, depending on your workflow. If you're already within a job or an estimate, you'll typically find a Create Proposal or a similar button prominently displayed. This is often the most direct route, as it allows you to pull in job details and line items seamlessly. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Estimates and Proposals section in the main menu. Here, you'll have the option to create a new proposal from scratch or manage existing ones. Once you've initiated a new proposal, you'll likely be prompted to select a customer and the relevant job or estimate. Housecall Pro intelligently pulls in existing information, saving you valuable time and reducing the risk of errors. Now comes the exciting part, building out the actual proposal. The Housecall Pro Proposal Builder is designed with user-friendliness in mind, offering a clear and intuitive interface. You'll typically start with the Line Items section. Here, you can add the services or products you're proposing. You can either select from your existing service catalog, which is a huge time saver, or manually enter custom items. When adding line items, be specific and detailed. Instead of just saying plumbing repair, consider breaking it down into replace faulty faucet, repair leaking pipe joint, and dispose of old parts. Clearly outlining the scope of work builds trust and avoids misunderstandings down the line. For each line item, you can specify the quantity, unit price, and even add notes or descriptions for further clarity. The platform automatically calculates subtotals and the overall proposal amount. But a great proposal is more than just a list of services and prices. It's an opportunity to showcase your professionalism and build confidence in your potential client. This is where customization comes in. Housecall Pro allows you to add sections to your proposal, such as a summary or introduction, where you can briefly reiterate the client's needs and outline your proposed solution. You can also include terms and conditions, warranty information, and even images or videos to further illustrate your services. Think about adding a brief, "Why choose us?" section, highlighting your company's experience, certifications, or positive customer reviews. This can be a powerful differentiator. Branding is another crucial aspect. Housecall Pro enables you to customize your proposals with your company logo and colors, ensuring a consistent and professional look. This reinforces your brand identity and makes your proposals instantly recognizable. Once you've added all the necessary details and customized the proposal to your liking, it's time to review it carefully. Double-check all the line items, quantities, prices, and any additional information to ensure accuracy. A well-proofread proposal demonstrates attention to detail and professionalism. Housecall Pro offers a preview option, allowing you to see exactly how the proposal will appear to your client on different devices. Take advantage of this to ensure everything looks polished and presentable. Now for the final step, sending the proposal to your client. Housecall Pro provides several options for this. You can email the proposal directly through the platform, which often includes a link for the client to review and approve online. This online approval feature is incredibly convenient. Clients can review the proposal at their own pace and, with a few clicks, accept the terms and even sign electronically. This streamlines the process significantly and helps you secure jobs faster. You can also generate a PDF version of the proposal if you prefer to print it or send it as an attachment. After sending, Housecall Pro allows you to track the status of your proposals. You can see when a client has viewed it, and you'll receive notifications when they approve or decline. This keeps you informed and allows for timely follow-up if needed. Furthermore, Housecall Pro often integrates with payment processing services, allowing you to include payment options directly within the proposal. This can further expedite the process once a client approves the work. Imagine a client approving the proposal and immediately being able to make a deposit. That's efficiency at its finest. Beyond the basic functionality, explore some of the more advanced features of the proposal builder. Look for options to create proposal templates for recurring services or common job types. This can save you even more time in the long run. Consider using optional add-ons or packages within your proposals. This gives clients different price points and service levels to choose from, potentially increasing the overall value of the job. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.